Hi, in this video I am going to show you that how you can make changes in your site. For this, first you have to go to your dashboard of your WordPress. So you have to type simply after your domain name wp-admin, and once you enter the URL you can see this login page. You just have to enter your credentials and click on login. And once you log in, you will be able to see this dashboard, and after this you have to click on visit site, and here I want to tell you that this is your header section. Okay, this is your header section, and this is your body section, which is starting from our history, and it is ending at contact form, and after this it is your footer section. So now first I will show you that how you can change the content of your slider. For this you have to come to your dashboard and simply click on slider revolution, and when once you come into the dashboard of your slider, you have to click on this pencil icon, and when you successfully enter into your slider, you can see all slides 1 2 3 4. Okay, so in your slider there are only 4 slides. So if you want to change the position, you can simply drag it like this, and if you want to change the text of this slide, simply click on this and click on this text. After clicking on this, you can see this is the text that you can change. And if you want to change the link of your button, simply click here learn more. Okay, so from here you can change the link of your button. Okay, after changing, don't forget to click on save, and if you want to change the background image of your slider, you have to click on this icon, and after clicking on this icon you have to click here media library, and from here you can select the image whatever you want to select, and after the selection of your image you can simply click on insert button. For example, I am selecting this image, so after selecting, simply click on insert, and if you want to upload file from your computer, simply click upload and select file. Okay, so I'm not gonna select the file here, and if you want to change the content of your home page, simply click here edit with WP Bakery page builder. Once the page open, you have to simply click on this icon box and or this pencil icon. Okay, and from here you can change the text whatever you want to add. Okay, and if you want to change the icon, you can select from here. Okay, after changing the content, click on save and then click on update. And if you want to change the image, click here and remove this image and select a new image. If you want to change the content of your this box, click on pencil icon and this is the title, business advisory, and this is your description text. And if you want to change the text of your carousel content, click here. You can also move this pop-up window, FEMA Department of Homeland Security, Department of Homeland Security, and you can change the text. And if you want to change the URL of your see more button, you can click here, and if you have a new link, you can paste it here, and after pasting, just click on set link. And if you want to change the image of your portfolio section or certification section, simply click this pencil icon okay. So here you can change the number of your post or number of your certifications, that how many number of certifications you want to show. Here you can only change the numbers of your post, and if you want to show your post in 3 columns or 2 columns or 4 columns, you can select from here. Okay, and if you want to change the images or content, for this you have to come to the dashboard again and simply click on portfolio, and from here you can change the content or images. You have to click on this edit menu or link. You can change the title and you can change the image, or also you can change the category. And after doing all this stuff, just click on update. And if you want to change the location of your map, just change the location whatever you want to add. Okay, and that's it for this video.